Welcome everybody to Funk Puzzles. Today we have the difficulty of hard Kubok16 from the USA Today Puzzles, August 18th. Okay, rules of Kubok16 are very simple. 16 boxes. This is a 4 by 4 grid. Okay, and you have to use the numbers 1 through 16 all at least once. Okay, so that obviously you can't duplicate anything because then you'd have too many numbers, or you wouldn't have enough numbers. And then you have to equal the total of each row or column, and row must equal the number outside of it. Okay, so very simple rules. Let's go ahead and get started. This could be all over the place. I don't know where it will be. Okay, so right here we have some interesting things. 27, this 27 here minus the 12, right, that we have over to the right. This gives us an actual total we got to go for 15 and these two. Okay, and this 36 minus this 13 and 19, so this 36 minus this 13 and 19, which is 22, gives us 14 that we got to go for those two. Okay, I just think that's interesting because it puts a little bit of a constraint there on what that one could be. Whatever it is, it has to equal 14 and 15. So like if you have a 9, I mean, it can't because the 9's here, but if I had a 9, then here's got to be 5 and here's got to be a 6. So these numbers are going to be relatively close. In fact, they're going to be within, this and this are going to be within one of each other. Okay. So that's just something to think about. It's nothing too important, not like some mind-breaking, boggling, interesting thing, but it's a little something. 35 minus 15, those numbers there, 10 and 15 gives us a 20 for this row that we're actually looking for. This is a 27. I got the 14 up above that you can see. This is 22. This is 18. This is a big boy. 23. This is 31. This is 15. We already got it. And 19. Okay. Since this is 19 and the 2's here, the smallest I can have in any two cells would be, since 2's here, is 1 and 3 for 4. So 19 minus 4 is 15. This cannot be a 16. I don't know if that's important or not. I usually like to see where the 16 can go, or like to see where the 1 can go, biggest or littlest. 16 can't go here. 16 can't obviously go in there. 16 obviously can't go in here. I don't see any other constraints on the 16 though. 16. Well, like here's an interesting thing. Okay, so this can't be like 13 because if this was 13, well, it can't be 13 because it's right there. I think I need to look at this cell right here. I think this is probably where we got to start. I could start looking at 16, say where does 16 go, blah, blah, blah. But I think it's easier to just look at this cell. What can this cell be? Can it be 13? No. Can it be 14? Of course not. Can it be 12? No, because if it's 12, right, this is 2. And that 2 is over there, so it can't be 12. Oops. Can it be 11? Right? Can it be 11? Well, this would have to be 4, and this would have to be 3. So yes, it could be 11. Okay. So we're going to put everything it can be over here. So it can be 11. We're going to say cell 1 here. Can be 11. 9. Can it be 8? Well, then this would be 6, and this would be 7. Sure, it can be 8 too. Okay. Can it be 7? 7, 7. No. Can it be 6? Yeah, 6, 8, 9. No, it can't be 6. Because then it would be backwards. Can it be 5? No, it can't. Of course not. It can be 4. No, because it's 10. It can be 3. No, because this would have to be, or wait, 3, 11, and 12. So it can be 3. Can be 3. Can't be 2. It can't be 1 because you have 14 here. Okay, so we know that cell, this can only be a 3 or 11. That's it. That is it. And because of that, okay, we get rid of all this garbage. This is a 3. This is 11. If this is a 3, actually, let's do this in different color. Oh, I got the thing. If this is a 3 right here, right? If this is 3, well, what's this one going to be? This one is going to be 11, right? If this is 3, what's this going to be? This is going to be 12, okay? But if this is 11, right? This is going to be up here. It's going to be 3. And if this is 11, this is going to be 4. Okay, and those are the only possibilities for these cells right here. That's it. Okay. So now let's see how that works with our 16. Okay, so if I was to come in ahead and just try to force a 16, say, you know, say here, 16. I need 22 total here left. So 16, 4 is 22. No, I can't do that, right? Obviously, I can't do 16, 12 because that alone is already bigger than 22. So 16 can't go there. That's interesting. So 16 can't go here. This is just for 16. 16 can't go here. 16 can't go in there. 16, 4 could go there. No matter what, a 3 is going to be used here. That's another thing. A 3 is going to be used no matter what. So this is 11, 3, 3, 11, no matter what. So those are off my list. 16 can't be, could be here. 16, 4. 16 could obviously be here. In fact, oh, geez, so simple. Duh. How did I miss this? Okay, they gave us a cheap and easy one here. 14, 9 is 23. From 54 is 31. There's only 2 left. Okay, so how do I get that using numbers 1 through 16? There's only one way. And that is that this is either 16, 15, or this is 15, 16. 16, 15, 15, 16. Very simple. Okay, so and knowing that, sorry, I can't believe I missed that. That's the easiest one. I should have started right there. This is an interesting clue up here in the corner, but this is obviously the path that you were supposed to take. So if we look at this real quick, then if this is 16 right here, right, I'm marking that one. If that's 16, this is 4, right? If it's 15, it's 5, right? So we have that, and we know it can't be 5, right? So that means it has to be 16, okay? So now we have quite a few. We have this is 16, this is 15, this is 4, okay? Which means this can't be 4 here, okay? So 11. So these are these other ones here. This is 3, 11, 12. Hopefully I remember that. I have a terrible memory. 3, 11, 12. I'll add that up. 3, 2, 5, 17, 27. Yeah, it works. Okay. And so we're almost done. Wow, this is a hard. I can't believe this is a hard. This is where, David, if you ever watch these, you got to figure out a better grading method for this. You had a hard one the other day that was insanely difficult. The hardest one I've done in a long time. And yes, I will admit, I didn't see the pattern to start it right away, but to find that pattern was not in any way easy. It wasn't like this. Like this shouldn't be a hard, okay? It shouldn't be. It's just, I'm not saying this is a bad puzzle. This is a nice puzzle, but right here, this is holding your hand, okay? After you do this, you got to do this little bit of stuff here. I mean, that's a little bit difficult, but it's not too hard, okay? This, if you call this hard, then that other one was like super expert, okay? But anyway, so now it comes down to simply just 5, 2, 17. Well, what do we have left? Let's just go over what numbers we have left, okay? So we're going to just come over here, and we're going to see what numbers we have left, okay? Just real quick. So we have to use a 1. What's going on? Oh, we have to use a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to use a 6. You have to use a 7. And we have to use an 8. So it looks like all little stuff. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all the little stuff is all that's left. Okay. So here I need 10. Well, how can I... shoot. 15, 12. Oh, shoot. What the heck? Did I just make that rant and then shoot myself in the foot here? And I made a mistake? Did I just do that? 15 to 17, 12. How do I get 12? How do I get 12? I just did all that stuff and now I can't get my 12. 13, 4. So this is 17. This is 14. How do I get 14? Well, 8 and 6, obviously. Right? 8, 12, 20, 34, 6, 18, 32. Wow. David, I still don't apologize because all it means is that I screwed up in this part right there. Whatever I did in here was screwed up. Okay. I should have just started where it was meant to be started. Here's where it meant to be started. This is all we can have here. 14 plus 9 is 23. From 54 is 31. 31 is 16, 15. You can't have 15 here because 15 plus 10 is 25 plus 5 is 30 plus 5. Down here would be 35. But 16 plus 30 is 26 plus 5 is 31 plus 4 is there. So I made my rant and then I screwed up. I got to shove my foot in my mouth. But the mistake I made here was that I tried to do this part first and I shouldn't have. I was expecting something actually harder and I did something confusing that ended up shooting me in the foot. But the simple fact is that I should, by doing that, I made a mistake with whatever I did there. And I'm wondering now, what was my mistake? Because I felt like that was pretty solid. But it doesn't matter now because I have an easier path, okay? And this is the path you're supposed to take. 15 plus 2 is 17. So right here, this one and this one, they must equal 12. Okay? They must equal 12. And this one and this one, 13, 14, 17, they must equal 14. Okay, so we have 12 here, and then we have 14 over here. So what do we have for that? Right, we don't have 9. We don't have, well, we could have 11, 1. This would be, what, 11, 3. So we have some interesting things that we can do here. Well, what do we have? Oh, no. Let's go back to here. This one is really bugging me, okay? I feel like this is actually... And David, I apologize for what I said. But it was actually accurate. I mean, it's frustrating. I thought this was going to be like a 5-minute one. It's longer because I screwed up, but I got to eat a little crow right now, right? So I screwed up here, and this is actually, I think, the key. I could look at this. I could look at this right here and figure it out, absolutely. And the way I figure it out is the same way I figured out this one. But I want to come back here. I want to come back to this one because I should be able to do this. This is simple logic, and I screwed it up somewhere along the line. Okay. So, real simply, again, 13 plus 9 is 22. So we're not looking for 36 for here. We're looking for 14. Okay. 13 plus 9, 22. From 36 is 14. 2 plus 10 is 12. From 27 is 15. Okay. We know that this number, since it's one bigger, this number, whatever this is x plus 1, and this is x. Okay. So what can x be, or what number can we have here, though? Well, we can't have 14, because we have 14. This is 1, this is 2. Doesn't work. Sorry, can't have 14 because of what? 13 is already used. 12, we can't have 12. 1, 2. We can't have 11 because this is 12. 13, 1, 2. 12, 2, 3. That's what it is. 11, 3, 4. So now we can't have 11 either. Okay, now we can't have 11. 10, 9, 8, 8, 6. I missed that. I missed the 8, 6, 7. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I take back my take back. Because obviously the 3 doesn't work because it comes with the 4. So I take back my take back. This is way too easy of a puzzle. Okay. Be considered hard and have the other one hard. I want my take back back. I'm taking it back. So 5, 6 is 11. This is 13 here. 21. These two down here are 15. And this is 17. And across is 17, 14. Okay. And so what do I have left? I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and a 12. Right? Okay. So I need 13 here. How am I going to get 13? Only way to get 13 is 1 and 12. So 1 and 12 is coming across here. This is 1 here. Then I would need a 16. So this isn't 1. This is 1. This is 12. This is... Shoot. No way. Am I screwing this up again? Oh my God. 7, 14, 15. I'm starting to think this is broken. Okay. 6, 5 is 11. I got to get 13. How do I get 13? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I can have 1 here. Okay, so let's try it. If I put a 1 here, then my 12 goes here. But now I have a problem because this is 1, 2, 15. This is 18. Oh, wait, that works. 11. Oh, geez, man. Man, oh, man. My math right there was bad. That's not 14. 17. That's 12. Oops. And 3. 15, 18, 31. Okay. Whatever. My God. I can't believe I'm whining so much in that. Okay. David, if you watch this, this is a good puzzle. I guess I'm a little frustrated from the last few days. I'm still burning from that hour and 10 minutes on the hard I had to do. This one, I made a few silly errors. I was talking too much. You laid it out really simple right here. You gave us this right off the bat. That gives us this. This eliminates from here ones we can use. So right away we come up with this 876, and then we just got to plug and play these in with correct math, unlike what I just did right there. This is a good solid puzzle. I don't know if it'd be a hard though. I'd probably put it at medium. It took me, I've gotten experts done in as quick as 12 minutes. If I get lucky. This one was, I was very unlucky on. Not unlucky. This one was very ridiculous on. I didn't even start here. And I made multiple errors because I was too busy, pissing and moaning than paying attention. And I still got it done relatively fast. So I take back my take back of the take back. I go all the way back to my original take back. So anyways, okay. Calm down now. I got this out of the way. David, you're great. I truly enjoy these puzzles you do. We got to get that fixed up there. We got to get these levels fixed. If this is a hard, then we have to have an expert and super expert or something like that. Okay, that said, thank you for watching the Kubok16 today. Let's see, we got all these done. Next one we're going to be doing is a crossword. So for those of you that are going to watch it on Twitch, you can just stay tuned. And on YouTube, you'll have another video. Thank you very much.